You've been holding your breath, waiting for someone to tell you it's okay to stop. Come, sit with me for a moment of stillness. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it all go. Right now, we're just going to listen. Not to fix anything, not to figure anything out, just to hear what's already here. Notice the furthest sound you can find. Something out there, beyond these walls. You don't have to name it, just let it reach you. Now, a sound that's closer. Something nearby, something small. Breathe in and out. Now listen for the closest sound there is, your own breathing. This sound won't last forever. None of them will. That's what makes right now so rare. Notice the silence between the sounds. It's always been there, underneath everything, underneath the noise, underneath the waiting. You don't need permission to rest here. You never did. Thank yourself for listening, not to the world, to this moment, while it's still here. And when you're ready, open your eyes.